Hello, nice to meet you. And my name is Oksoso, as you can see my name, and I came from Myanmar. I'm doing this presentation for my final year exam for the subject data structure and algorithm. And my class is DI24I, and my major is informatics engineering. So I will talk first. I will talk about binary search. So binary search is a fast way to find something in a sorted list or array. Instead of checking each item one by one, it looks at the middle value first. If the middle value is not the target, it is either where to search the left half or the right half of the list based on whether the target is smaller or larger than the middle. The browser repeat until the target if found on the list is empty. So and this is easy, right? And for the example, like you can image a dictionary, and if you want to find a word, apple or maybe orange, something like that, you don't need to flip through all the pages. Instead, you open the midterm and check where apple is might be left or right. That's easy. So for the coding exam, you can learn from this one. This is easy and simple. Okay, next I will go to the bubble sort. So bubble sort is a way to organize numbers or items in the correct order by comparing two items at a time. It checks if two items are out of order, and if they are, and if we have to sort them. If keep doing this until the whole list is sorted. It's like we have to order from least to the greater or from greater to the least. For the example, think of bubbles in water. The heavier one sinks and the lighter one rises. That's not right. Similarly, in this sorting method, smaller number of bubbles add to the from the list. That's why we told to lead from the least to the greatest. So for the coding example, you can see in here. It's also easy and too simple, not complicated, not complex. And then another one in Quizsort. For the Quizsort, it's also a faster sorting method. It picks one item as a pivot and then arrange all the smaller items to the left of the pivot and all larger items to the right. If keep repeating this process for the smaller group and that everything is sorted. For the example, imagine organizing book by side, pick one book as a Bible and move smaller book to one side and bigger one to the other. This is the same for each side. So I think these three sort are nearly same, right? So for the example, you can see the code example in here. It's also easy and also in simple that you can learn simply and easily, I guess. And then we will move to the tree. A tree is a way to organize data where every piece called a node can connect to other pieces like branches. So one special node at the top is called the root. For the example, like you can think of the family tree, and there's a one etc. at the top, and each person connect to their children. Similarly, a tree in programming organize data with their connections. So in here there is called example and is also C, and you can see how it works. And the last one is graph. So a graph is another way to organize data, but here I don't call nodes connect any direction using each. Because in tree, the one node is connected to one each, but in here, node is in any direction and using each. So example explanation in think of a map with the city connected by the road, and each city is a node, and each road is an edge. For the coding example is here. It's a little bit long, but not too complex. So this is all. So I already explained about 5 things like binary search, Quizsort, bubble sort, tree, and graph. So I hope you guys like this presentation, and I'm very happy to make a presentation for my data structure and algorithm subject. So thank you, goodbye, and see you. Bye bye.